Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're currently using Windows 11 and in need to uninstall any application that you need to, well, this video is perfect for you because I'm going to show you step by step how to uninstall any application within Windows 11. Let's head over to my screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm on my desktop and there are a few ways to do this. You can use the search bar that you immediately see on the taskbar here, right? Now once you type add, you will automatically see it say add or remove programs. You just simply click on that. It will open up this window here. I'm going to go ahead and maximize it so that you can see. And here you can see all my applications, right? All my installed applications. Now on this right side, you will see these three dots for each application. Now if you click these three dots, you will see that you can uninstall those applications, right? Now there are some options. Now some applications you will be able to see when you click on them. You will see uninstall, only uninstall, or some of them you will notice that you're able to do more, right? So have a look at this one. You see that you can uninstall, or you can actually click on advanced option and you can do a few more things with the application, right? So that's how you can easily uninstall applications within Windows 11. Now the other way, guys, how to do so is by simply right click on the Windows icon here on the taskbar and you will see install applications. Now if you click on that, you'll take back to the same screen where you see install applications and you'll be able to do the same thing. So you can click on these three dots and you can uninstall your applications. And that's how easy it is, guys, to uninstall any application that you may have within Windows 11. Now this also works for a low version of Windows, Windows 10 and so forth. So if you'd like to uninstall any applications, just simply click on the Windows search bar and simply type apps or add or remove apps, and you will be able to go to this page where you can uninstall all of those applications that you really need to uninstall. And that's how easy it is. Now I hope you found some value in this video, and if you do, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, and see you next time for another video just like this one. Goodbye.